Consider the behavioral gap between a student losing 3 uninterrupted hours to a video game and the struggle to maintain focus during a 20-minute digital lesson. Games succeed by providing a clear objective, demanding effort, showing immediate progress, and delivering a tangible reward. This loop creates a self-sustaining cycle of engagement. Gamification applies these exact behavioral loops to an educational environment, using the mechanics of play to drive academic achievement. Sustained focus is largely a byproduct of visibility. When a student can see their effort turning into advancement, the difficulty of the material becomes secondary to the drive to reach the next milestone. Effective gamification integrates specific achievement mechanics into a digital lesson. Designers add simple tools like point counters and progress badges to a clean interface, leveraging the psychology of games without needing to build a literal 3D environment. This system relies on quantifiable inputs: points, levels, badges, progress trackers, and micro-challenges. Clearing a level provides a specific hit of satisfaction. This neurological payoff serves as the fuel to initiate and complete the next task. A visible path forward changes the learner's internal dialogue. Instead of feeling a lesson as a chore to be finished, they begin to look for the next step in the progression. These trackers shift the student's experience. By making progress measurable, a lesson changes from a period of passive endurance into a state of active motivation. These interventions can be remarkably simple. Educators can drive engagement by assigning points for participation or using a digital checklist to mark the end of a module. Short quizzes and completion rewards take a student's internal effort and make it tangibly visible. A primary threat to momentum is the psychological weight of a massive, unbroken block of information. Facing a monolithic wall of content often leads to immediate cognitive shutdown. To prevent this, we divide that monolith into sequential, locked stages. Completing the first lesson automatically unlocks the second. This creates a chain reaction where every finished task provides the access and the incentive to keep moving. Breaking daunting content into clear, achievable milestones engineers a state of continuous, self-sustaining forward momentum. Online learning carries a specific vulnerability: the lack of immediate human encouragement. In a digital space, students often operate in total physical isolation. Gamified systems bridge this gap by replacing delayed human feedback with instant algorithmic validation of a student's improvement. The success of this environment depends on 4 pillars: setting clear goals, showing visible progress, rewarding user effort, and issuing small challenges. This structure creates a sophisticated framework for motivation. It uses the architecture of the lesson itself to encourage the student to keep moving through the curriculum. This shift replaces the sense of pressure with a system of visible progress. It is the most effective way to ensure students stay involved and achieve deeper levels of focus in a digital environment.